While Deliver is a powerful tool for communicating with applicants and prospects, it can also be used for notifying internal stakeholders across your campus. In today's Slate-A-Minute, we will be going over how you can leverage translation codes to create an internal email list. Oftentimes, institutions will create a notification email like this and then hard code the email addresses of their campus partners in the recipient or CC lines. However, if you haven't already experienced this, you'll hit a character limit, and I was only able to fit about 8 emails on a single row. But what if you needed more space for additional emails? You can certainly add them to the CC lines as well, but you'll hit the same character limit as before. Let's consider another approach here. If we make use of translation codes, we can add a lot more emails to our recipient line. I'll add my merge field that uses the translation code to the CC line here so that we can compare what that looks like. As you can see below, I could fit a lot more and it dynamically merged in. So how do we go about setting this up? Let's start by creating a translation code set with the key of notifications. My values here are the names of my decision codes, and the export values are the emails of partners across campus that should receive the enroll/withdraw notification. Once this is in place, we can go back to our mailings recipient list query. And I'm always double checking to make sure my filters are correct. There is the decision by rank release code in enroll/withdraw with the release date of today, so it all checks out. Pull in the export for decision by rank release name, and for the export value, select translation export value with the key of notifications. Rename this export to something easily identifiable to other users. And I won't be saving this one as I already have one created. But from here, it's just a matter of editing your message, merging in this export, and then confirming that the list has the correct emails added. I almost forgot, but here's my, "but wait, there's more" moment. If you ever need to modify the list of emails, you can do so directly in the translation code without having to stop your mailing. We hope you enjoyed this week's tip, and we'll catch you in the next one.